Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make research on good utility tokens. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's dive in. To find a good utility token, you'll need to ask yourself certain questions. And to answer those questions, you'll require access to the project's website, social media profiles, and white paper. Anytime a project's white paper is not available, assign it a red flag and move on. Moving forward with investing in a utility token without a white paper is gambling. So guys, the first question to ask yourself should be about technology and use case. In order to be successful, a project must successfully identify a demand it intends to meet. If there is no reason to use a project's product, assign it a red flag. Ask yourself, what problem is this project trying to solve, and how is it a solution to this problem? Guys, the problem as well as the solution should be sensible. I mean, it should be crypto related, because that's the only way it could generate high demand. The second question is on roadmap. Guys, roadmaps illustrate where a project is going and how it intends to get there. It is important that the roadmap provides clear, specific goals that adequately document the progression of the project. So, after going through the roadmap, ask yourself whether it is current and up to date. Run for your life if it is a neglected roadmap or if there isn't any. This takes us to the third question, which is on security. Ask yourself whether any audits have been completed. Are the audits provided by reputable firms, as some audits cannot be trusted? So guys, the fourth and one of the most vital questions are on tokenomics. Ask yourself if the token allocation is fair. What are the vesting terms? What is the distribution? I mean, if tokens are distributed in a way that grossly favors a small number of team members, investors need to be careful. Next, guys, is the community. How much organic followers does the project have? You'll need to scrutinize their social media platforms such as their Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and the rest to answer these questions. So guys, you need to ask yourself, does the community focus on profits or functions? I mean, we are all after profits, but you should be careful when a community is spamming when moon. The last questions are about the team. You need to assess the team's qualifications in terms of ability, communications, visibility, and responsiveness. Ask yourself if the team inspire confidence in its ability to execute the project's vision. I mean, they need to give you a reason to have faith in their ability to deliver the project they are promising. And also, if a team wishes to remain anonymous, it is suspicious. Assign it a red flag. That's it, guys, on how to make a research on a good utility token. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop your questions or comments in the comment sections, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.